Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you a way you can earn money online just by redesigning basic template pictures and converting them into sales. But first, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We upload daily make money online videos, and we want to share those ideas and opinions with you and finally have financial freedom. We all dream of working from home for good money, so let me show you a new career path you can follow to start doing just that. Have you ever heard of Canva.com? It's where you can create projects such as YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and many more for free. There is a very cheap pro subscription if you want access to all of the templates and elements, but even the free version has so many great options. So let me show you how you can make one of these YouTube thumbnails as an example. We want to think of a topic to use as an example, so let's use lions. Head over to a free picture website such as pexels.com and search for a lion. Then download these free pictures to use. Head over to Remove.bg.com. Here you can upload your downloaded lion photo and remove the background, and then you can save the new file. It's time to head back to Canva. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make money with this method soon. For now, let's focus on one step at a time and create our YouTube thumbnail. Let's change some color schemes and add some elements to test different styles. Now let's add some text. The text can also be edited, and you can change the fonts and colors with special effects for each piece of text. Now you can see that it took us just a few minutes to make this YouTube thumbnail, which is ready to be downloaded. Click on the link to start trying Canva now. It's so simple. They also have ready-made templates, as you can see here. So you can click on a template and you can completely edit the template in any way you wish. Once you're happy with the thumbnail, you have something to show potential buyers what you can do. You don't need to be an editing design genius to make this method work, and I'm going to prove it. Let's head over to the Fiverr.com website. I know you've heard of Fiverr before, so instead of me talking about the whole website, let's get straight to the point and search for YouTube thumbnails. Now look at the results. Some of these designers are making thousands of dollars every single week and month just by doing the method I taught you. Some of them use different softwares from Canva, but some of them are making huge numbers of sales from doing very basic designs. You can do this too. All you need to do is come up with some basic examples to show off to the potential Fiverr buyers, and then put them on your profile and wait for your first few orders, which won't take long at all. We tried this method ourselves and already got our first order in day 2. When you start getting a few orders, which will of course take a few days until your gig ranks properly, after that, the orders will increase. Make sure you have a detailed description of your gig, and you can look at other sellers' gig description to get some inspiration for your own gig. And that's it, a quick explanation for creating your very own thumbnail design business on Fiverr for free. Completely free. Please consider leaving a like for this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any important uploads and new videos teaching you how to make money online. Until next time, always aim high.